So what kind of equipment you need to bake your gluten-free sourdough loaves? There is not much actually. We will need a kitchen scale. We will need, of course, a little jar. It should be a straight-sided jar with transparent glass sides, and it has to be quite narrow. It has to be maximum 6 centimeters in diameter. And I explain in my lessons why is that. Because the gluten-free products, they don't have structure inside and they have some support. And if you have too wide sides of the jar, or it gets more wider on the top like this, then there is no support for your starter, and it will be really hard to determine if it has risen or not. Here on this little jar, on sides of the jar, we see traces of the sourdough starter. We see how it has risen to the top, to the peak, then stayed there and then fell until initial level. And it's very easy and convenient to decide if it's matured or not. So it's crucial to get a right narrow jar for the start, for the beginning of your gluten-free sourdough adventure. So this is a round jar and this is a right jar. And what else? We need a kitchen scale. Any kitchen scale is good. And then afterwards, we need a thermometer with probe. It's a really great tool that will help you to measure the water temperature, the dough temperature, and also air temperature. It's very useful. We also need a silicone spatula for our more comfortable work with the dough and with the starter. A couple of bacon scrapers and some other tools that any kitchen have actually. And for sandwich loaf, you might need a pan. So my pan is about 2 liters in volume, and you can get the same one or a similar one. And for the oval loaf like this one, we might need a bassinet basket for final proof. This is how it looks. And I will give you measurements in the lesson, okay? It can be made of any material, as long as your bread fits in, it's a good one. And for baking, we need a baking stone or pizza stone, which should be 1.5 centimeters in height. So it should be the size of your oven. And also we use a metallic tray for the steam that we're gonna put on the bottom of the oven. Otherwise, you can use a Dutch oven. In this case, you don't need a tray because you don't need an extra steam. So you bake your loaf in a cast iron or any other material Dutch oven. And it is important that the diameter of it should, inside diameter of it, should be quite large, quite long. It should be about 30 centimeters. Okay, pretty much that's it. So we are ready for making our beautiful loaves. Enjoy my workshop and share your results with me.